Good morning, children. Today we are going to do chapter number 6, simple present and simple past tense. Let's do. Read these sentences. Notice the form of the verbs used. First, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The sun and the moon create tides in our oceans. I go for a walk every morning. I learn to play the violin on Sundays. I like ice cream. My sister plays for the school basketball team. Now we'll write the verbs over here. Boils, B-O-I-L-S, boils is a verb. Then next is what? Create, C-R-E-A-T, create. G-O, go. L-E-A-R-N, learn. L-I-K-E, like. P-L-A-Y-S, place. All these are what? Verbs which we have read in the sentences. We have noticed the form of the verbs. Let's learn. Since all the sentences above talk about the present time, so these verbs are simple present forms. What they are talking? They are talking about the present time which is running just now. See, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The sun and the moon create tides in our oceans. I go for a walk every morning. I learn to play the violin on Sundays. I like ice creams. My sister plays for the school basketball team. So all the sentences talks about the present time. The verbs are simple present form. Verbs that are used to express actions talking about taking place in the present time are said to be in simple present forms. They are used to make general statement. The verbs which express actions of the present time, so it is called simple present forms. The simple present sentences has been used in the following ways to state an all-time truth. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The sun and the moon creates tides in our ocean. So what is this? This is talking about the time, all-time truth. All-time truth means what? It is fixed that the water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and the sun and the moon creates tides in our ocean. To talk about habit and our routine. If you talk about habit and routine, example, I go for a walk every morning. I learn to play the violin on Sundays. So we are talking about the habit and the routine. जो हमारी habit है, हमारा जो daily work है, हम उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. Then the third one is to talk about something that is true for the present time, which may change later. We are talking about something that is true for the present time. Example, I like ice cream. My sister plays for the school basketball team. This is what? Present time truth. It may change later. Just now I like ice cream. I may not like after 1 week. My sister plays for the school team, basketball team. This time my sister is playing for the basketball team. Next time she may not. Okay, so it is just which may change later. Let's practice. Read the sentences given below. Identify what the present simple form has been used for. Write T, all-time truth, H, habit, or TP, true for the present on the basis of their use. हमें क्या करना है, सेंटेंसेस रीड करना है, हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि प्रेजेंट सिंपल फॉर्म हैज़ बीन यूज्ड फॉर, सिंपल प्रेजेंट फॉर्म हैज़ बीन यूज्ड फॉर। राइट टी फॉर ऑल टाइम ट्रूथ, हमें क्या करना है, टी सिर्फ लिखना है अगर ऑल टाइम ट्रूथ है। जिस तरह से सन एंड द मून क्रिएट्स टाइड्स इन द ओशन, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, right? Then H is the habit or routine. I walk every morning, I learn violin every Sundays. And TP is what? True for the present. अभी जो फिलहाल हो रहा है वो true for the present. Now we'll read the sentence. First one. My pet mongoose runs very fast. माई पेट मंगूस, अभी के लिए फ़िलहाल उनका जो पेट मंगूस है मेरा, वो अभी रन फास्ट करता है। सो इट इज़ टी पी मीन्स ट्रू फॉर द प्रेजेंट। B1, द रेन कम आफ्टर द समर, ऑल टाइम ट्रूथ ओनली इट इज़। आफ्टर द समर सीजन इज एंडिंग, द रेनी सीजन स्टार्ट, द मानसून सीजन कम, सो इट इज़ टी, ऑल टाइम ट्रूथ। C, Jonita makes very nice momos. Jonita makes very nice momos. This is habit. H. D, I go for a dental checkup every 6 months. That is also H, habit. E, I say hello to my teacher when I meet her. Right, this is also a habit. Every time whenever you meet a teacher you say hello. Then F, my cousin live next to our house. That is TP, that is true for the present. Just now your cousins live next to your house. They may change after 6 months or 1 year. Then G, the gardener cuts the grass every Sunday. That is the habit. Every Sunday the gardener will cut the grass. H, my uncle owns this store. That is true for the present. Just now it is my uncle's shop, my uncle's store. It may not. So it is TP, that is true for the present. I agree with you. That is also a TP, truth for the present. J, 365 days make a year. That is the truth only, all time. It is correct. Now 2, fill in the blanks with the correct spell simple present tense of the verbs in the box given below. What we have to do? We have to fill in the blanks. Here the verbs are given in the box. We have to write the correct simple present tense. First one is boil, play, grow, like, go, fly, juggle. First sentence, I go to my dance class every evening. So it will be go. Sheila, because I have used, I is what? A singular. I go to my dance class every evening. Sheila plays the piano very well. So PLAYS, plays the piano very well. The clown juggles balls for a living. Bananas grow on trees. Dogs like to chew on bones. Dogs like to chew on bones. Salty water boils fast. Astronauts fly to outer space. Let's do. A different form of the verbs has been used in the sentences here. Notice the form of the verbs. What we have to do? Simple. Where verbs are given in the sentence, we have to notice the form of the verb. Different form of verbs, अलग टाइप के verbs यहाँ पे सेंटेंस में दिए हैं. हमें नोटिस करना है कि वो वर्ब क्या है. 1 number. Mom, A number. Mom washed our car this morning. So wash is what? Present, and washed is the past. So WASHED, wash का past tense होता है washed. B, Dad cooked a pot of superb biryani last night. So cook का present क्या होता है? Cook, and cooked, COOKED, is the past tense. C, we played in the garden in the afternoon. So played is the past tense of play, PLAY, play. E, D, two birds built their nest in a tree in the garden last week. D1, two birds built. Built is the past tense of built their nest in the tree in the garden last week. E, my sister danced well when she was younger. Dance is the past tense of the dance. I played tennis for the state. Play is the past tense played, PLAYED, played tennis for the state. So we'll write the verbs over here. First is what? Washed, WASHED, washed. Then B, cooked, COOKED, cooked. C, played, PLAYED, played. D, BUILT, built. E, DANCED, dance. F, PLAYED, played. These are the verbs. Let's learn. Since the actions given above took place in the past, the verbs are all in simple past forms. ये जो actions हमने अभी एक्सरसाइज करी वो ऑलरेडी प्लेस हो चुकी है पास्ट में, तो उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? सिंपल पास्ट फॉर्म्स. Verbs that are used to express action that took place in the past are said to be in simple past simple forms. Express the actions जो है वो हमने जो एक्सप्रेस किए हैं वो ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं पास्ट में, तो हम उसे क्या कहेंगे? पास्ट सिंपल फॉर्म्स. द सिंपल पास्ट फॉर्म हैज़ बीन used in following ways. To talk about an action that has already happened, एक्शन जो हो चुका है हम उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. Mom washed our car this morning. Mom ने क्या किया? She washed the car this morning. Dad cooked a pot of superb biryani last night. Last night Dad ने बिरयानी बनाई थी. So that is cooked, washed are what the simple, that is past simple forms. To talk about a period, हमने एक्शन की बात की थी. वॉश्ड एंड कुक्ड इज एन एक्शन. अभी हम पीरियड की बात करते हैं. टू टॉक अबाउट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, दैट इज पीरियड ऑफ टाइम विच स्टार्टेड एंड एंडेड इन द पास्ट. द टाइम पीरियड इज इंडिकेटेड by expressions such as for 2 years, for several years, etc. We talk about the period of time which started and ended in the past. The time period is indicated by expressions such as for 2 years or for several years. Example: we played in the garden in the afternoon. We are not playing in the garden now. We played in the garden in the afternoon. वो क्या हो गया? पास्ट सिंपल फॉर्म है. We are not playing in the garden now. हम अभी गार्डन में नहीं खेल रहे, हम आफ्टरनून में खेल रहे थे. We already played. Two birds built their nest in a tree in the garden last week. हम लास्ट वीक की बात कर रहे हैं कि 2 birds थे, उन्होंने अपना नेस्ट बनाया था ट्री में. They are not building their nest anymore. ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट हो रहा है कि दे आर नॉट बिल्डिंग, वो लोग अभी नहीं बना रहे उनका नेस्ट एट प्रेजेंट. नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द हैबिट, इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द हैबिट, इन द पास्ट की हैबिट की बात करते हैं. माई सिस्टर डांस्ड वेल लेट व्हेन शी वॉज यंगर. मेरी जो सिस्टर है, शी डांस्ड वेल, बहुत अच्छे से वो डांस करती थी जब वो छोटी थी. दैट इज़ उसकी हैबिट है. आई प्लेड टेनिस फॉर द स्टेट. आई प्लेड टेनिस फॉर द स्टेट मतलब मैं टेनिस खेलती थी स्टेट के लिए. नाउ इट इज़ नॉट माई हैबिट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स प्रैक्टिस. Put the sentences in the correct column given below. First we'll read the sentence. My father worked in the bank for 2 years. He usually came home late in the evening. We went to Ooty for the summer. We saw many wild animals there. Last year I went to sleep early every night. I read many books in school. Now children, you can see a table is given. First is what? Action in past. Second column is time period in the past. Third column habit in the past. Action जो है आपकी पास्ट में कैसी थी वो लिखना है. टाइम पीरियड आपका पास्ट में कैसा था वो, और हैबिट आपकी पास्ट में कैसी थी वो. अगेन विल स्टार्ट विद द सेंटेंस. A1, माई फादर वर्कड इन द बैंक फॉर 2 years. तो वो 2 years जो है यहाँ पे हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे ए, इट इज़ अ टाइम पीरियड. सो बी, ही यूजुअली केम होम लेट इन द इवनिंग. तो वो हैबिट है पास्ट की कि वो लेट आता था इवनिंग में. सो इट विल बी इन बी, विल राइट इन बी. हैबिट इन पास्ट, इन दैट कॉलम बी. सी, वी वेंट टू ऊटी फॉर द समर. So that is what? Time period in the past. So we'll write C in that column. D, we saw many wild animals there. So action in past is D. We saw many wild animals in the past. We'll write in that column action in past. E, last year I went to sleep every night, early every night. Last year I went to sleep early every night. So that is habit in past. We'll write in habit in past over here in that column. F, I read many books in school. So action in past, that is F. We'll write in action in past column. Make simple past sentences using these expressions after changing the verb's form. What we have to do? We have to make simple past sentences बनाने हैं. past के sentences एक्सप्रेशंस जो दिए हैं वो चेंज करके उसके वर्ब फॉर्म को. वन एग्जाम्पल इट इज़ गिवन. लेट्स सी. टेक द केक्स आई होम. तो आई हैव रिटन आई टुक द केक. तो टेक का मैं पास मैंने क्या बनाया? टेक. सो आई टुक द, टेक का टुक है, आई टुक द केक्स होम. बी नंबर, माई सिस्टर ऑल ईट द केक. सो वॉट विल बी द पास्ट? ईट का एट हो जाएगा. तो आई विल राइट द सेंटेंस. My sister ate all the cakes. C, to the dog she a few crumbs give. तो उसका सिंपल पास्ट विल बी वॉट? Some she gave a few crumbs to the dog. गिव का गेव हो जाएगा, राइट. ओ या गिव का क्या हो जाएगा? गेव. सो सेंटेंस विल बी she gave a few crumbs to the dog. Next, D, our dog junked all kinds of love food. So what is the sentence? Our dog loved all kinds of junk food. Love का क्या हो जाएगा? सिंपल पास, it will be loved. Do on Sundays my parents all the shopping. E, so what will be the simple past sentence? My parents do का did हो जाएगा. So did all the shopping on Sundays. F, many things buy last week extra she. तो बाय का बॉट मैंने किया है. सेंटेंस क्या बना सिंपल पास्ट का? She bought many things extra last week. G, we a picnic planned last week. तो क्या हो जाएगा? वी प्लान का प्लान्ड हो जाएगा सिंपल पास. सो वी प्लान्ड ए पिकनिक लास्ट वीक. H, pack and snacks we for the picnic spot go. तो what will be the simple past sentence? We packed. यहाँ पे pack जो है वो हम ed लगा देंगे तो हो जाएगा packed. Snacks for the picnic and went to the picnic spot. I a lot, we a funny film, see and laugh. तो सी का सॉ हो जाएगा सिंपल पास्ट सेंटेंस. सो वी विल से वी सॉ ए फनी फिल्म एंड लाफ्ड ए लॉट. We saw a funny film and laughed a lot. I hope you have understood this exercise, children. You have to do this work in your grammar textbook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.